In this video, I will share with you my own 244k per hour trainer rebattle run in PokeMMO. Special thanks to Holy Broccoli from PokeMMO forums. I have left a link in the description box to his written guide. I tweaked and added new routes to allow some room for error which you could potentially make at the end of the run. There are a total of 14 trainer battles from the Unova region, lasting about 20 minutes and netting you about 77k. The rest is in Sinnoh, with roughly 30 to 32 trainers, and 2 of them are double battles, netting about 168k. As for the setup, it is required to have a minimum budget Cloyster with max PP icicle spear at level 100 and the adamant nature. The only key stats you need are plus 31 attack and speed EV, with the skill link ability, allowing you to deal with focus sash Pokemon. The item to cap it off is Choice Band for a 1.5x multiplier. At the time of making the video, you can get one for 270k to 300k and about 105k for the Choice Band. Granted that you can make about 240k per hour on Amulet Coin with this run, you will make it back in 2 hours time and more. We start off at the Pokemon League in Unova. Head down to the first trainer here and pop Amulet Coin. There are going to be a total of 6 trainers here that you can fight. They are very easy as the Choice Band Icicle Spear will one-shot all of them. The strategy is brain dead and only requires to spam Icicle Spear all day long and watch TV. Now head back upstairs and go to the left stairs to fight the second trainer. Then head downstairs twice until you see a boulder and a medic NPC that can heal you after the battle. Have him heal you to replenish your PP as it is fast. Now head downstairs and go outside the cave. Go to the middle cave entrance and fight the 4th trainer. Also, I'm using custom strings to make the dialogues much faster to improve the speed of the run. Check the description box for the link to the mod. Now head upstairs to fight the 5th trainer. Then backtrack downstairs and go eastwards down the stairs to fight the 6th and final trainer in Victory Road. Then head outside the cave and fly to Opalucid City. Go west into the shopping mall to fight Rich Boy and Lady Isabel. Now fly to Undella Town, heal up and go north. Go west and fight 2 rich trainers. Fly back to Opalucid City, go north and fight 4 trainers in that region. I meant to do this before going to Undella Town, but it doesn't matter too much. Once these 4 are done, that concludes the battles in Unova. Generally, you would have spent 20 minutes or so, unless you are unfamiliar with the Victory Road area. Fly to Castelia City and change your region to Sinnoh. Then go to Veilstone City, head south to fight a rich trainer. Fly back to Veilstone City again. Heal up and head west to fight 2 trainers back to back. Next, fly to Hearthome City. Go south all the way till you reach Route 212. Continue south and meet 2 older trainers. Then go northeast and meet 2 young trainers. Keep in mind that the rich boy trainer on the left has an Azumarill that can poison you if your Cloyster can't one-shot it. Once that's over, fly to Sunyshore City. Go west all the way till you reach Route 222. Continue west all the way till you meet the rich boy trainer. Then fly to Salacin Town. Proceed north all the way till you meet the double battle trainers. 3 Pokemon here have Flash Fire, so do not use a fire attacker as your battle partner. After that, fly to Celestic Town, heal first. Go east till you reach Route 210. Make sure to use Defog before engaging the veteran trainer. Continue east and fight the other 3 trainers. Also, keep in mind that the second trainer here has a Probopass that can poison you if you cannot one-shot it. The third battle here is a double battle. Once you are done with the 4 trainers here, head to Snow Point City. You will be taking on 6 trainers in the gym. Remember to heal up first. They pay well, but you will have to follow these puzzle instructions to make sure you are going the correct routes. I did it in a different order than what the picture suggests, because the trainer closest to the gym leader has a Gengar that can disable your icicle spear, and therefore he is the last one I challenged. This puzzle can be confusing at first, but after a few practice runs you will remember it easily, and it will not be a problem. Once this area is complete, fly to Survival Area, use Max Repel and proceed east all the way. Rock climb up and fight the trainer. Fly back to the Pokemon Center, then head west to fight 3 more trainers. Ignore the first trainer you see in the area. Now fly to the resort area, heal up and fight the 2 trainers up north here before popping a Max Repel after the battle is over. The next area is the part where most will have trouble with, partly because there is a sandstorm in effect. You have to only pick 3 or less trainers in this area to battle at most. Otherwise, fighting the wrong trainer may kill your Cloyster. Just avoid the red circled ones and you will be okay. Instead, head to the next area to fight the 2 trainers here. The Amulet Coin duration is almost done, and that completes the trainer rerun. I started with about 536k and ended up with about 782k. The exact amount earned is $246,298. Since I farmed my own Amulet Coin, that is the total profit. Just subtract the Amulet Coin cost if you bought it from the global trade link. You can do this trainer reruns every 6 hours. That is about it. Thanks for watching and hope this helps you make more money in PokeMMO.